Hi guys, I was charging my Turnigy 3-cell 2200 battery from Hobby King, and all of a sudden it just exploded, and this is what is left of the battery. Nothing, just the connector is left and the battery is no more. And this is what happened to my house. This is a 3-cell 2200 milliamp Turnigy 20C battery from Hobby King with a Turnigy AccuCell 6 charger. I was so scared, the bang was so loud, and this is what happened. I'm pretty lucky that nothing major has happened. There was just a small fire that I was able to put out with water, and now I have to clean this mess up. It's just so disgusting, and the smell is so strong, and well, happens. Thank God my little baby is there, safe. And okay, have to clean this up.